Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I have another present for one of my nieces. It turned out extremely well. The scroll saw cutting was a little tedious. There was a lot of small parts I had to cut out to fit into these letters after they were painted. However, it turned out beautiful. I was pretty happy with the outcome, and so was my niece. I also did the laser engraver again for this birthday present, and I'm really enjoying the fact that I can incorporate both types of woodworking into one project. This is just a great example of enjoying every moment of the project. So I hope you sit back and enjoy. Give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it, and I'll leave you to it. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.